Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's continue with our list. Daily watches. Here now we have the transition extremum. Yeah, it needs to find its local extremum and all the rest. The whole shebang. I don't think this is a good idea. I'd never do it. Let's see our Oracle. How's Oracle is doing? Yeah, just banging there. Dominion Bank. Hmm. So it broke this level, the test level, but there is also the like the base. What do we call it in English? The base of the bar? Oh, and now it broke it too, so never mind. Just kind of broke it one day. It like springed it unvolumed and therefore you can still check 0.5 like for like smaller day trades. But it's this now really. We have local extreme now on Procter and Gamble. It's in 0.5. So high. So high. What happened here? um, it's getting there. Colgate Palmolive can end up with one bar rule. Never mind this. What I'm trying to see here. I think. Hmm. Hmm. It's an important moment for MOEX. 10.5. Oh, absolutely unvolumed. Was it a weekend? Should have been a weekend trade. Did you like weekend trades now? Yeah, that was a Saturday. It had some volume compared to the other weekends. You see, like this weekend had some volume too. Interesting. But yeah, it's right there. Hmm. It's not that big as volume at all. Only like for here. But it's very good. It's oops. It's buyers. That's good. And then this comes in. I'd say it was a go. And there's definitely strength and there's definitely weakness. I'd say this thing was ready to go. It's even less than zero point 0.5, and zero point 0.5 doesn't matter in this case. But even that, let's see what 5 minutes were like. They were coinciding. That's crazy. That's just crazy. I mean, no way. It should have been seen like that, but super technically, yeah, they were matching the levels of the hour just because of how violent this was. So I think it was more fair too. And still, look at this volume. And this was good too. Not the biggest, but big. Well, it wasn't necessarily in T1, so this huge volume. And T1 was somewhat with volume. But yeah, I think it's stretched to see it like that. Matching levels. Anyhow, that was a level. This was a level. Yep, that was a trade. It's weird that the T1 is unvolumed and this is not the biggest volume and it barely touched it. But it's nice it didn't close on the break. Um, all the rest is kind of cool. Yeah, good deal. Yeah. Yeah. Fastenal now has the local extremum. Progressive. Shows us the class. Yeah, very concerning. On monthly, on yearly, like everywhere. That's like a perfect place for it to break and reverse. Should be also part of XLF, the financial sector, right? Uh, yeah. Technically, as you see, it doesn't need a close manipulation signal on daily to trade off hourly, but practically, hold on. Okay, so yeah, that's what we have here now. It's definitely like in a sexy place. Look at all this. Look at all this. I mean, let's not run ahead of ourselves. Maybe. Oh yeah, and let's put it on hourly watch for sure. Yeah, that needs to come to the level. It's not short, it's long. Oof. Oof. It's like getting there. Okay, but it's just hourly watch now. Um, I think it's still short. Interesting. That's where we are on a RKK. It's like Williams companies. Sounds ambitious. O.R. Williams. And that's a balance, expanding balance. It's an expanding balance in counter trend T1 level. Know what I mean? You know what I mean. Wait, what? Ah, expanding balance on monthly. Oh, so we didn't need a close manipulation signal to trade it off daily. So this was a entrance, really, investment trade. Good volume. Well, technically, it's also a balance. 1, 2, 1, 2. And man, it was a balance from the beginning of the time. But of course, this is like too much of a break. But again, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the balance. I think it's a good place to. Yeah, you'll need to buy a pod, and you cannot buy pods um after hours. Maybe tomorrow though. Know what I mean? Maybe tomorrow. Wait. Can you buy options after hours? Oh, it says you still can. You want to try? Oh yeah, old spread says. Why do Americans don't say says or sad? Say says sad says sad says 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 it says. Why do you say says? But the old spread says. Is it like how you pronounce it? I'm confused now. Pronunciation. Says. Yeah.
Says.
Says. Why it says, not says? Says. So the old spread says that um it's a break, but I more so see it as the let's describe it. Counter trend trade. Short balance. Um it's a volumed expanding break. It's uh it's a weak approach. Is it? It kind of is. Volume distribution is not right though. It should be like vice versa, but it's a weak approach. Volume. I'll put it like this. Oops. It's a wrong volume distribution, but weak approach. It's that's it. Now in month, we have a counter trend trade. It's a short balance. It's a volumed expanding brick. It's a resistance level. There is a volume on approach. It's a strong approach. Why does it always do that on me? Um, it's a resistance level. Yeah, it's an aggressive counter trend trade. It's a short impulse. It's on volume T1. It's on volume transition extremum slash T1. It's a weak approach. Weak approach. It's the biggest volume up thrust. It's a weak test. First selling bar close entry level because it's not it. It's a calculated affordable virtual stop loss. Buying put. Buying put. Wanted to risk to reward, take profit. Yeah, I think everything checks out and it's already broke below. It shows like, yeah, that's all like weak test. Yeah, I think it's beautiful. Let's see if we can buy the if we can buy the freaking put. It's what is this? VMB VW WMB. Well, how do we go into options? WMB options. Yes, here it is. So we need to buy an option for like safely, even if it's go higher. It looks like it wants to break though. Look how it like tiptoes here, like consolidates. You would still expect it to have some. Look at how someone was buying out all this. It's definitely like a volume zone here. Someone bought out all this thing that didn't go. And again, yeah, I'm not sure it's weak approach actually. Like went down first time and then tried to continue but didn't go. Went up quite weakly. Oh, there was like strong volume here. Yeah, this is definitely volume zone and we're not even like planning to go into it. Yeah, I think it will be good. Yeah, let's see what we can do. 63.78. So we need to buy. Something say for February. $60. Yeah, February. 60 it wants like 290, 290. And that's where we're gonna sell it. 65. Yeah. Mm, it's not getting executed. Yeah. Let me see if the other broker is any better. There is no way I can just sell the stock. We W WMB WMB. Hey, WMB. February. Yeah, it's pre-submitted. What if I try day? Yeah, no, I don't think it works. Um, I can put it on again. Yeah, when the like regular stocks, it offers the options. Doesn't want to execute. Okay, maybe I can keep it overnight. But what if I make an order after market closed with this time in force day? If you place a day order when the market closed, the order becomes active at the market next opening and will be canceled at the close of that next trading day. Okay, that's what I want. Yes, let's. I'm buying a put for 60 though. Well, it's finer that way. It's gonna. It kind of makes my risks even less. Um. Okay. Day. Yeah. Okay. 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 Just set up mm, a trade. I don't know if it's gonna be executed or not tomorrow. But if it triggers, I'll be opening a put and be buying a put. Yeah. And I'll log it in if it executes. If it executes, I'll log it into my logbook. I'm lazy. I have all rights to be so. This thing looks like. Look at this. That's gonna be bigger volume. Guaranteed. There it goes. Silver. Silver goes to meat.